Welcome back to Bold Bite. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, bats. These creatures have been around for millions of years and are an important part of our ecosystem. Here are the top 10 facts about bats that you need to know. So, let's get started. Number 10. Bats are the only mammal that can fly. Bats are unique because they are the only mammals that can truly fly. Other mammals like flying squirrels or lemurs can glide, but bats can fly just like birds. Bats are able to fly because their wings are made of a thin membrane of skin called patagium, which stretches between their fingers and their body. This allows them to flap their wings and fly effortlessly through the air. Number 9. Bats are incredibly diverse. There are over 1,400 species of bats in the world, making them one of the most diverse groups of mammals. Bats can be found in almost every part of the world, except for the polar regions and some isolated islands. They range in size from the tiny bumblebee bat, which is about the size of a bumblebee, to the giant golden-crowned flying fox, which has a wingspan of over 5 feet. Number 8. Bats are nocturnal. Most species of bats are nocturnal, which means they are active at night and sleep during the day. This is because their eyes are adapted to low light conditions, making it easier for them to navigate and find their prey in the dark. Some species of bats, like the fruit bat, are crepuscular, which means they are active during the twilight hours. Number 7. Bats are important pollinators. Many species of bats play an important role in pollinating plants. Bats are attracted to the nectar of flowers and will feed on it, inadvertently picking up pollen on their fur and transferring it to other flowers. In fact, over 500 plant species rely on bats for pollination, including bananas, peaches, and mangoes. Number 6. Bats use echolocation to navigate. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find their prey. They emit high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects in their environment, allowing them to create a mental map of their surroundings. This is important for hunting because it allows them to locate prey in the dark. Some species of bats are able to echolocate at such a high frequency that it is beyond the range of human hearing. Number 5. Vampire bats only feed on blood. Most species of bats feed on insects, fruits, and nectar, but there is one species of bat that has a diet that is entirely different. Vampire bats feed on the blood of other animals, usually cattle, horses, or birds. They use their sharp teeth to make a small incision in their prey and then lap up the blood. While the idea of vampire bats may seem scary, they are not a significant threat to humans. Number 4. Bats have a unique way of sleeping. Bats have a unique way of sleeping called torpor. During torpor, a bat's heart rate and body temperature drop significantly, allowing it to conserve energy. This is important because food can be scarce for bats, especially during the winter months. Some species of bats are even able to hibernate for months at a time, waking up only when the weather warms up and food becomes more plentiful. Number 3. Bats are important for controlling insect populations. Bats are important predators of insects and can eat up to their own body weight in insects each night. This makes them important for controlling insect populations, which can have a significant impact on agriculture and human health. In fact, bats can eat pests like mosquitoes and agricultural pests like corn earworm moths, saving farmers billions of dollars in pest control each year. Number 2. Bats are threatened by habitat loss and disease. Despite their importance to the ecosystem, bats are facing many threats. Habitat loss, caused by deforestation and urbanization, is a major threat to bat populations. Additionally, bats are susceptible to diseases like white nose syndrome, which has killed millions of bats in North America. Climate change is also affecting bat populations, as changes in temperature and weather patterns can disrupt their hibernation and migration patterns. Number 1. Bats are not scary. They're fascinating. Despite their association with Halloween and spooky stories, bats are not scary animals. In fact, they are fascinating creatures that play an important role in our ecosystem. By eating insects and pollinating plants, bats are helping to maintain the balance of nature. And by using echolocation to navigate and sleeping in torpor, they have adapted to their environment in unique ways. Bats are truly amazing animals that deserve our respect and protection. That's it for our top 10 facts about bats. We hope you learned something new and interesting about these amazing creatures. Remember, stay bold and stay curious.